Hi everyone. Today 19th March 2021 and today we'll see how we made intraday live trading and made profit of 2169 rupees. Today the pre-open market was negative around 86 points. All the stocks were found to be declining and the 5 stocks were only going up. So we'll see the changes, percentage change, and ONGC was the highest drop down. Uh, let's see how which stock to trade. I'm finding, and I'll see what is the quantity which is the highest. HDFC Bank is ONGC SBI. So since I'll go with the SBI third, and it was third highest quantity. And other stocks were very up. This is above 1000 rupees, and this is below around 100 rupees. I'll go the medium stock 363,595, and based upon that I will trade. Okay, I will show you. I've recorded the I will give a link of the pre-open market in the description. You can download and study for your reference. And now we'll see how I got into the trade. And now the quantity checking, how much quantity you can buy. I have chosen State Bank of India. It is having a 5x leverage, and we are planning to sell below 361.75. so I have a template for calculating the quantity for 361.75 with a leverage of 5. Approximately 1071 stocks can be bought. So I am going to give a short order 1071 at the rate of 361.75. As we cannot put a sell order below a market price, we are going to use stop loss order at 361.75. I am putting a trigger price of 361.80, so that my order will take place at 361.75 rupees. So I am checking the quantity. As I have a more capital, I am trying to increase my quantity 1150 and 75,000 is used. So I'll show my capital. It is around 79,000 rupees. So until now 79,800 is my capital. So I am trying to utilize my full capital. So 1200 I am putting. If I use 1200 quantities, it is 79,277. So I am trying to use another 10 more quantity, then it is coming more than 79,800. So I am putting the 1205 quantity, and I am going to hit the sell order. Now it is 362.85. I am convenient when the stock goes below 361.75. So here I can see that there is a selling short sell super trend is going on, and my stocks, if I see the market depth, it is 14 lakh and 11 lakh respectively. So the sellers are more. So and so the MACD, I find it is going to go down. So all these are favor of selling, so I am planning to go short. I am waiting for I am adjusting the price, no problem. 361.75 is my strike price. If that price comes, then only I am planning to buy. So I am waiting for that. It has almost come to 62.55. I am waiting, and I hit the sell order button. I'll show you in the orders whether it is executed or not. See, it is trigger is pending. Trigger is pending. So my order is accepted, and when the price comes, it will get hit. Okay, then I want to find my exit price. With price I want to book my profit. So I have a template for that, and I am 359.95 is my target price. Okay, and my sell order is got completed, executed, and I have to put my target price. So I will go to the positions, and I click the exit, and in the limit order I will enter 359.95. It is my target price. I use 0.5% as my as a target price, and I am waiting for the target to hit. And now also the market depth is in favor of sellers. I can find 12 lakh and 15 lakh respectively, and so I'm waiting for the target, and I see it is come to 362. Once again started rising, it's coming down 369, 61.8. So I'm waiting. It's coming down. It is come to 361, and 360 is going to touch 360. 360.75, almost 1 rupee has come down. I am waiting, and it is executed at 359.95. so my position is my target price is hit, and my position is 2169 rupees profit. You can see the orders. Thank you. And like this I would like to post more videos. Please like this video and give your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. This encourages me to put more videos.